If you take a look at this digital asset is selling for $5.99, which is essentially $6. And as you can see, its estimated monthly sales volume is at 319 copies. So if we pull up the calculator real quick, you can see that $5.97 times 319 copies sold equals to almost $2,000 every single month that this person is making from just this simple digital asset. But if you take a look at this, you can see that it's been published on November the 1st, 2018. It's almost 4.5 years that this product has been making this person this amount of money. So if you do the math on that real quick, 4 years, that's essentially 48 months. I believe this person has made over $90,000 for just this simple digital product. But this is not even the best one on this side. If you check out this one, for example, this one is selling for almost $5 and is making almost 500 monthly sales. This one so as well, and so does this one, which is making over 600 sales for $8 a month. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you this super simple, beginner-friendly method that you can do to start earning passive income on complete autopilot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set this up so you can start making around $1,000 every single day just by posting a simple digital asset. Now, for this to work, you don't have to show your face anywhere online. You don't have to invest a single cent of your money for this to work. All the tools I'm going to show you are completely 100% free, and the best part about this method is that it takes around 10 minutes to set up, and once you do that, it's going to make money for you on complete autopilot for the next couple of years. So even if you have already some experience with making money online, or even if you are a complete beginner, make sure to watch this video till the end, put it to work, and after you make some money with it, make sure to return to this video, and down in the comments, do let me know how much money we have made using this. Oh, and while you're there, make sure to hit the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also if you enjoy videos about making money online, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. And with all that being said, let's get right to the method. So first of all, what I want you to do is go to Google and you want to search for this exact website that's called bookboard.io. Just hit search, and in the search results is this website right here that's called bookboard.io. Just go to that site, and right here you can see you can start your 3-day free trial. Now actually this website isn't completely free. If you go to the pricing, you can see that the lowest paid subscription is like $10 every month. And if you want to get serious with this, you can upgrade to a pro plan that's $20 per month. But as you can see right here, both of these plans have this 3-day free trial that you can use to test out this website. And I'm going to actually show you how to make the most out of this 3-day free trial plan. And actually the 3-day trial is all you need to do to start making those amounts of money. And actually the 3-day trial is all you need to start making those money easily. So what you want to do is go to this 3-day free trial, click on this button, and you get to this sign up form. This is a pretty easy registration form that you just need to fill in your name, your email address, choose a password. You can select your country right here, select the country which you are from, fill in the city, state, and address if you want to. You can see all of these are optional. You can go with just this basic information, then just agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on next and sign up for your account. Once you log into your account, you can see on the left side right here, if you go to the cloud section, you get to this section, and if you go to this search bar right here and look for example for sketchbook, then you can actually buy a physical copy of a sketchbook. And as you can see, these are selling anywhere between $5 to $6 to $7, and these are actually the sales volumes that I was speaking about earlier. For example, this one is selling for $7 and is selling over 450 copies every single month. And as you can see, it has a really interesting name that I'm not going to say out loud in this video, but you can see you got actually multiple of these. For example, this is one right here, and this is essentially the same book, the same product, just with different design. And this one is selling for $6 and it's selling almost 500 copies every single month. Now essentially, if you take a look at this side, you can see all of these are blank books. For example, this is a blank comic book, and actually if you're going to go to this section and copy this code, this ASIN code, then just simply go to Amazon and paste it into the search bar right here, hit enter. You can see that you can buy the physical copy of this book on Amazon for $5. And if you're going to open it up, you can see that this book is actually just a cover, this really interesting cover that's appealing to all the comics fans. You can see it's just a front and back cover, but actually this book contains 112 pages that are actually blank. They just got these little frames that you can draw comics into. This is called a low content product, and as you can see, this is #1 bestseller with teen and young adults. And actually one of the reasons why this is selling very well is because the thing with all of these books right here, with these products right here, for example a password book that's selling for $7 and it's selling over 300 copies every single month. If you're going to have a password book, a book that you want to use for write down your passwords, you don't actually need that much content inside it. All you need is just a cover to know that it's a password book and a couple of blank pages for you to write down all your passwords. And that's pretty much the thing with all of these. For example, this calligraphy workbook right here. If you're going to do calligraphy in a notebook, you don't need anything in it, just a couple of blank pages so you can practice the nice handwriting. So all you need for this notebook is just a nice cover and a couple of blank pages. And as you can see, this one is selling for $7 and is selling almost 300 copies every single month. Now you may be actually asking how to make money with this. Why am I showing you all of this stuff? The thing is, you can create such a product yourself, publish it by just pressing one single button, start selling for a couple of dollars. And as you can see, they're selling hundreds of copies of these books every single month. And if you're wondering how hard can it be to create such a book, one of the reasons why I'm showing you this website called Bookboard.io is because this site actually has a built-in book designer. If you go to this section right here, click on research, click on create right here, then just go to Bookboard Studio. You can see you can create your own project on this website completely for free, and it's going to take just a couple of minutes. And it's incredibly easy process, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. You just simply click on create new project right here. Then what you want to do is select paperback, cover and interior. Now just go ahead and name your project something. For example, let's name it Things I Want to Say at Work But I Can't. Because actually if you take a look at this notebook right here, most of them are in 6x9 trim size. So just select the trim size to 6x9. Then what you want to do is just select right here is black and white interior with white paper, and a page count you want to select something like 110. It's going to be very small, but if you're going to put in a lot more pages, for example like 200 or 300, it's just going to be a very thick book. So somewhere around 110 pages is the sweet spot that you want to use for the page count. And then just simply click on create project right here, and then you get to the simple editor. As you can see, you've got all your pages right here on the left side. What you want to do for this is just leave them blank. Actually what you need to do is create a cover for this book right here. You can see you've got your front and back cover that you need to fill in with an image that's going to be selling very well. For example, something like this or something like this, or actually something like this that is selling very well, as you have seen on Amazon. You want to create a book cover that's going to entice somebody to buy it, because actually the book itself, it's going to be empty. There's going to be nothing in it besides empty pages. So this book cover is very important because it's one of the main reasons why people buy these books. They want something that's looking good. For example, like this one right here. Somebody will actually buy this to write down all their passwords. You can see just a bunch of flowers and a catchy phrase with them. And same with this one right here, is almost the same thing. And this one right here isn't too complicated to create as well. What you want to do is simply just go to Canva and look for book cover, then hit enter, and you get all these pre-made templates that you can choose from that are completely free, completely royalty free. You can use this for the cover of your book and you can actually publish it. Canva is actually offering these designs completely for free. So just select one that you like the most. For example, this one right here will work very well, but it's very minimalistic. I want to go with something that's actually resembling a workplace diary, or something that you would want to write in, things you want to say at work but you can't. For example, this one looks very well, so I'm just going to select this one, then just simply click on customize this template. And I believe many of you already have some experience with doing things on Canva, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to customize it to actually serve as a nice book cover. So what I'm going to do is just change this title to Things I Want to Say at Work, and then the second part right here I'm going to change to, then I'm just going to change the font of this text right here to look something like this. And then to this part right here I'm going to write notebook of, so it's going to look something like this, notebook of things I want to say at work but I can't. Then also go ahead and delete this part where it says the name of the author. And actually what I'm going to do is go to elements and look for something like pencil. For example, look for pencil. I'm going to add this small pencil icon right here, so it's going to look like a proper notebook. And then I'm going to search for pen, something to do with pen elements, and let's choose, for example, let's see what we got. Let's put this icon right here, something like this. Okay, then what you want to actually do is just click on copy right here. You want to create a copy of the page, because what you want to do is create a front and back cover at the same time. So just make sure you make a copy of this exact page. So I'm just going to customize it to make it more like a end cover. So I'm just going to delete this text, I don't want it there, delete this, then just go to elements. I'm going to look for notebook, and then just paste, for example, this one right here, something like this. Then I'm going to place a text box right under it, and what I'm going to write is, then I'm just going to change the font of this one as well, because I want it to look a little bit nicer. So I'm just going to select, for example, something like this. Okay, once you get this done, what you want to do is just simply go to this share button right here, and you want to download this, but as a PDF. You want to download this as a PDF, not PNG, nothing else. You want to select PDF. Simply just click on download and then wait for it to convert and download to your computer. Then just simply go to Bookboard editor, click on this image icon right here and you want to upload PDF. Just simply choose the PDF you have downloaded from Canva. Once you upload your PDF covers to Bookboard, what you want to do is make sure you stretch them across this entire section so it's going to fit the entire cover of the book. Then what you want to do is just select this first page right here, then just click on this maze icon and it's going to give you options how do you actually want the inside pages of the book to look like. Now because this is a notebook, where people can write things down, you actually want some lines there to make the writing a little bit easier. Just go ahead and select one of these that you like the most. For example, I'm going with this one. Then just select all the pages right here minus the book cover because you want the lines to be applied to all the blank pages. Then just simply click on next right here. Here you can customize the thickness and the spaces between the lines. If you want to do that, just simply go ahead and customize it to your liking. Then just simply click on submit and it's going to look something like this. This is the blank page. This is pretty much all you need to do on Bookboard.io. Then just simply click on save right here because you don't want to lose your work you have created so far. And then once you're happy with the customization, if you're happy with how it's going to look like, what you want to do is just go to download right here and select download as a RGB ebook and also download it as a CYMK printed book. You want to download both of these files, so just go ahead and do that. It's going to convert the book into a file that can be uploaded for sale. Just wait for it to finish and it's going to download to your computer. Once you finish downloading, what you want to do actually is close this editor right here and you want to do a little keywords research. Just simply go back to Bookboard, click on keywords right here, then click on search right here and you want to look for keywords that are related to the product you have created. So for example, I have just created a notebook, so I'm just going to look for notebook keywords because we actually want to use keywords that are actually going to give you the highest chance of selling the most copies of your book that you have created. So for example, if you take a look at this, obviously the best selling keyword is a notebook with over 25,000 results, but you want to also use a couple of keywords that are going to make it a little bit more specific. For example, anti-anxiety notebook, this could be very well applied to the notebook I have just created because obviously it's for things you want to say at work but you can't, so it's very therapeutic to write them down somewhere you can get it out of your system. Then also a fidget notebook, that should work very well for this one, and also let's see what we got there. And also journaling notebook should apply very well, and also this one, notebook minimalist blank line notebook. Just go ahead and select a couple of these keywords that you want to use for your own product. For example, I have chosen these like 5 so far. You can go ahead and select as many of these as you want. Once you do that, what you want to do is just simply go to Google and you want to look for Amazon KDP. Look for Amazon KDP and it's going to show you this site, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You want to go there. Then what you want to do is just simply sign up for your account right here if you don't have one already. I already have an account on this Amazon KDP because I've been trying it before with a couple of good results. But you just want to simply sign up for your account right here, then just sign in. And then what you want to do is just simply publish the files you have downloaded from Bookboard to Amazon by simply pressing this create button. You just want to upload it, fill in a couple of fields regarding your book name, your author name, and all the stuff around that. And then Amazon is going to be doing all the selling for you and you will just start collecting the money from the sales. What you want to actually do to maximize the chances of making the most amount of money with this is go back to Canva and you want to create multiple designs of this book cover, because actually if it's a blank book with just a couple of lines in it, it's not the part that's going to be selling your notebook. Actually your notebook is going to be sold based on the cover, and if you're going to just create one cover, you may not appeal to the most amount of people. If you're going to create multiple of these designs, you're going to maximize your chance of appealing to the most amount of people at the same time, and then because you're selling it through Amazon, you don't have to worry about promoting it. Amazon is going to be all the selling for you. All you need to do is just create multiple of these designs, select the right keywords, and that's how you start making money with this method. And that's the method for today, guys. Now just go ahead, take action on this, make some money with it, and after you do, return to this video and then down in the comments do let me know how much money you have made using this. And if you enjoyed this method, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. And now if you want to see yet another money making video, try checking out this one right here or this one right here. Choose which one of these you like the most. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.